Construction is set to begin at South Salem High School spring break 2020. Improvements planned for South Salem will expand career and technical vocational education, improve science education classrooms, add space to help relieve overcrowding and prepare for future enrollment, and improve safety and security, including seismic safety. A new building addition will replace the old Leslie Junior High Middle School building with modern and seismically stronger learning spaces. The history and importance of the original Leslie Junior High School building will be documented in a special video, and a memorial display will be included in the new building. Salem-Keizer is working with current South Salem High School students and many community groups, such as the local Native American tribes and the Neighborhood Association, to create the documentary materials. The new addition at South will include 12 general education classrooms, special education spaces, expanded career and technical, vocational education spaces for the culinary and broadcast journalism programs, and a performing arts center that includes a new theater, black box theater, and music rooms. In addition to the new construction, select spaces inside the existing building will be improved. Select spaces will be renovated into 2 new science labs and a sports medicine classroom. The front office and entrance will be renovated to include a secure vestibule and improve the office staff's ability to monitor and control who enters the building. A new auxiliary gymnasium will be constructed here, and additional parking spaces will be added to both existing lots and a new lot on the site. Approximately $66.1 million will be invested in improvements at South Salem. Construction is expected to be complete September 2021. South Salem High School 2018 Bond Program. Thank you, Salem and Keizer voters.